I'm debarking.
Heading up Avery Creek Road this morning, about the middle of November 2020, and we've been doing some work on Bennett Gap Trail. We were out there a couple of days ago with my mini excavator, and what we did is we reestablished some grade reversals. Today we have a few guys out here from Pisgah SORBA. There's a big mud hole at the top of Bennett. What we're doing is we're digging out the muck. We are gonna fill it in with rock. We got some big riprap rock. We're going to fill it in and then fill the riprap with some other finer material to make a nice smooth surface, and we're lining it with locust, so that should be a good permanent solution.
So that I'm not cutting into the dirt more than I need to here. Press it right in here. And then, do I need So let's see where we had it.
No, that's good.
That's pretty good.
Joint, that's awesome. one side more open, one side less, and then want to come in and kind of do a cut through the
Testing it out.
Thank you all for the trail work.
Yeah.
Good ride.
You too. All downhill from here. There you go. You got
Good.
How are you?
Good.
This thing is cool.
Awesome.